Gary Hughes here at the VDC BIM Manager with John Paul Construction. We're here on the Ironworks project in Dundrum. We are just here with the DroneDeploy guys today to go have a good look around and start get a feel for some of the technology that they're bringing to the project. So one of the things we're doing here is we have a BIM model for it, but we are also integrating it into DroneDeploy so we can use the BIM Compare tool. So as part of that, we have to come out to site, we have to do 360 walks. So basically we're walking with a camera, it's capturing a 360 walk, we're capturing 360 pano images, still images. So we can use that for a number of things. Right now, we're using it to validate what's actually installed and to compare that against the model. But in the future, we'll be using it to help out with progress tracking, records of walls before they're closed up, ceilings before they're closed up. If there's any discussions in the future about what did or didn't happen at any particular time, we can step back using the time function in DroneDeploy to have a look at what was actually on the site on a certain day, etc., etc. We're really now trying to push to more the internal side of it, which is the 360 cameras. So right now on this project, it will primarily be JPC internal team so that they can review it. But even something simple like, I don't know if you can see it, but way over here is our site compound. So to even get to where I am here now is probably a 10-12 minute walk to get up here. So if there's any sort of a discussion with a project manager, to save him having to come up here, he can go into any room, anytime, have a look at it, and maybe be able to make a call there on whatever topic is being discussed and save that 20-minute round trip up and down to the site. To be able to use tools like this, which we have available to us with very little cost, and bring it on to the bigger BIM and VDC jobs, to still put those tools in their hand and try and benefit those guys, that's one of the things that I'm kind of excited about trying to get going on this project.